Welcome to our digitalized taxpayers briefing and orientation. I will be discussing to you about registration information updates. Registration must be updated when there are any changes in the following: registered name, civil status, registered address, business trade name, business activity, tax type, line of business, accounting period, transfer of registration to another revenue district office, and cancellation or retirement of business. For any of these changes, you must accomplish and submit BIR Form 1905 and a document showing proof of change. For example, if you wish to change your registered business address under the jurisdiction of the same revenue district office, you must submit the following: 2 original copies of BIR Form 1905, 1 photocopy of Mayor's Permit or DTI certificate or SEC Certificate of Registration bearing the new address, and 1 original copy of letter request for temporary use of old receipts or invoices. If you are transacting with a representative, you must submit an original copy of the special power of attorney and a copy of a government-issued ID of the authorized representative and the individual taxpayer, or board resolution or secretary certificate, and a copy of a government-issued ID of the authorized representative for non-individual taxpayers. Temporary suspension of business still requires filing of tax returns on time. Taxpayers are required to file no transaction returns through the eBIR to avoid stop filer cases. A confirmation receipt will be sent to your email as proof of filing. Just like the last year's lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, wherein many businesses were temporarily closed, they still need to file tax returns for that period. But what if you want to permanently close your business? Registration shall be cancelled upon business retirement to avoid unnecessary tax liabilities. The following shall be submitted: 2 original copies of BIR Form 1905, 1 original copy of List of Ending Inventory of Goods and Supplies, 1 original copy of Inventory of Unused Receipts or Invoices, Original Certificate of Registration or the BIR Form 2303, Unused Sales Invoice, or Official Receipts due for destruction. If you are transacting with a representative, a special power of attorney, and a copy of a government-issued ID of the individual taxpayer and the authorized representative, or board resolution or secretary certificate, and a copy of a government-issued ID of the authorized representative must be submitted. And that would be all for registration information updates. Thank you for listening.